So today is the beginning of day 4 on the Appalachian Trail hike, section hike, and I'm still here at the Jerry Mountain Shelter, and Mr. Jake and I down here at the bottom under the log right there. I'm not going to get too close. I'll let him be, and he's let me be, and we've just kind of come to that understanding, and neither one of us is bothering the other one. And apparently he spent the night right there. And I was pretty happy with that. In fact, I was real happy with it. Not that I'm scared of snakes, but, no need to get bit by a poisonous rattlesnake either. Okay, so what's going to happen today? I have made the decision I need to get off trail. I have real world responsibilities to take care of, and so I am hiking backwards from where I came to the closest place I can be picked up and shuttled back to my vehicle. And so I've got about 4 miles or so before I can be picked up. All right, so let's get it. All right, so I have come to the definite conclusion. There is a difference between morning, afternoon, and evening trail legs. Morning, legs are fresh and you can make some time. But you steadily decrease as you go through the day. So this is known as Lick Log Gap. And the gap is just a spot between two mountains or hills, whatever you want. I don't know. Anyway, looks like somebody's had wild camping over here. It's a nice place for it. I gotta go a little further up the way. Up this way. And this is how morning legs become afternoon legs. Whew. Alright, so I've come here. I didn't notice it yesterday, but down here, that's the 300-mile mark for the Appalachian Trail if he started down at Springer Mountain in Georgia. Whew. And I am going to take the bad weather trail, which is not the way I came yesterday. I'm hoping it'll be a little faster than trying to go over all those rocks that I did yesterday. Okay, so I will just tell you that this Blue Blaze Trail is rugged in its own respect. Lots of rocks, but they're more the twist your ankle kind of rocks. More than the break your leg kind of rocks. See, these are the kinds of rocks that I've been going over all day long so far. I've been making pretty good time, but it's kind of treacherous footing. So rocks and mud seem to be the name of the game for today. Ooh. Very slippery. Okay, so I have met back up with the main trail. I think I got just a little further to go. Wow. Huffing puffing. So, through hikers often take Neros and zeros as they travel. Nero means a few miles. Zero means they're laid up in town or a hostel or somewhere like that for a day. Today is going to end up being pretty much a Nero for me. But boy, am I ready for a zero. Now, supposedly this is a road. I suppose if you wanted to bring your four-wheel drive up here, it would be a road. But for nothing else is this going to be a road. So I'm guessing this is the beginning of Jones Meadow. Be my guess. Which is my destination for the day. It just wants to give me a climb out the door, doesn't it? All kinds of beautiful wildflowers in here. Bees too. Bees are loving it. So there's some beautiful stuff out there. This is the end of my trail. I've contacted the shuttle to come pick me up, and so this is the end. Alright, so that does conclude my 3.5 days of hiking out here on the Appalachian Trail. Folks, do me a favor, down here at the bottom, if you like what you're seeing, hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned, there's always more to come. And thanks for watching.